Welcome to video 12, multiple of 100. The objective is to create a function that takes an integer and returns true if it's divisible by 100, otherwise return false. Make sure you understand the examples and why they don't work, and to help you understand the problem. Now, this is the third time in this series that a problem like this has come up, and I almost skipped doing this challenge, but I wanted to make a point because you do find this sort of thing happening as you program larger problems, that you're solving problems and your solutions start to look really similar in certain places, and you need to recognize when that happens so you can sort of factor out the common behavior, put it into one function, and then sort of use that to trim down the size of your code and make it easier to maintain. Then you only have to manage that one function if something changes. And so the last one, we had a recent video that was, I think, divisible by 5. This is multiple of 100, kind of the same idea, it's just the numbers changing. So in reality, when you're running into a bunch of these, you would parameterize it. You could make the 5 or the 100 another parameter and pass that in, and then you can keep reusing the same logic with one function. So again, this is an absolute beginner series too, so I don't think it hurts to move slow and have some extra repetition. I try to be clear in the titles of these videos too, so you can skip ones if you feel like you already got the point understood. So we'll go to the code. Again, your chance, pause the video. It's very important that you think about these things. By now, this is the third one. I think you know the special operator that's been popping up again and again. So try and see if you can make that work. I'm going to go in there now. And if you remember the modulo operator, take number modulo 100 equals 0, meaning that the 0 meaning there's no remainder to the division problem of number. Oh, look at this. They want us to return a bool. I didn't return anything. Don't forget to return. And this mathematical statement will return true or false, saying this remainder is either equal to 0 or it is not. So one other point, I think this was multiple of 100, so this is a poor function name. So divisible by 100 or something like that. And again, keep running into this problem. We'd be better off, divisible by 100. We'd be better off adding a second integer parameter for this, so you can pass in the 5 or the 100 and keep reusing the same function, but then of course you take the 100 out of it, and we can't do that for this problem. We'll solve it their way. Okay, and we'll verify that this is correct. Good. You should have gotten this one. We recently talked about it. Hopefully that came to you. Nothing wrong with a little bit of feel good, easy work sometimes to keep moving, gain some momentum. Nothing wrong with that in a beginner series. So hope you enjoyed. If there are any questions, please leave them below. Thank you.